Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video. In today's video we are featuring April Lace Wigs. Big shout out to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a wear and go wig. This is a virgin human hair 5x5 lace closure. This is a pre-cut HD lace wig. So this wig is also available in a 13x6 for my girls that only do frontals. This is raw virgin human hair, and when I tell you, you can tell just by the texture. Before I even put heat to it, you know this hair is of a different grade. So it's a silky texture, silky straight texture, but it is available in other textures. This cap construction is a 5x5 HD lace. It comes with adjustable straps, combs inside, as well as a black elastic bands. This is 180 density, but it's also available in 150 or 200. This is pre-plucked and styled into a middle part. Side part is available. It can be requested when you place your order. This is also pre-bleach, so we did not have to pluck, and we did not have to bleach, and we did not have to cut no lace. You literally just put her on and go. So this wig is going to be included in their Black Friday sale. They are having a huge Black Friday sale, which will be from November 16th all the way up to November 26th. They have been around since 2011 with plenty of loyal customers. It's not a new company. It's not a pop-up shop type of wig company. They have skin in the game. They've been around for a little minute, okay? So this wig will be starting at $139 depending on the length and the construction that you choose. There will be a code, which is Black Friday 2023. I will put that here on the screen. That's all caps, and you use that code to save. And all the wigs on their site will be 15% off. 15% off discount with that code that I just provided. So be sure to check them out. I have done, I think, 2 other reviews for them. I did a 360 wig for them, which I absolutely loved that wig. So now this is their 5x5 wear and go wig. I love her. I styled this in a few different ways in this video, so definitely stay tuned for the versatility. Chanel had sent me a video on Instagram with that look, so I had purchased those and I was waiting for the right wig to try that with. So I did that, and then I curled the hair just to show you that even if you get straight hair, you could curl her up for a different look. So shout out to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring another video. The hair is bomb, y'all. Like this, I checked the links down in the description box. Be sure to use the discount code if you're going to shop. Be sure to do research if you want to see what other people have to say about this company. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I gotta cool it down. bands, got a lot of Chanel on me. I gotta put myself out. I gotta put myself out. I gotta cool down. I gotta cool down. No, no. Yeah, especially time like this, my love. I'm not so fine like this. No, 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 no. I ain't someone like this.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this, like it feel like summer. I feel like summer.